we used to look up in the sky and wonder at our place in the stars. Now just look down, worry about our place in the
I'm standing too close. I can see the brush strokes.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I hate it when she opens her mouth. It's amazing to me how much you can say when you don't know what you're talking about. But I feel something when I see you now. I feel something when I see you. I used to like you.
So, what do you think you'll do? How are you going to spend your life?
I'm not sure. To play the drums.
I do know.
'Cause I
I'm gonna live every minute of it.
until I fuck it up.
In the woods, we return to reason and faith. There I feel that nothing can befall me in life. No disgrace, no calamity, leaving me with my eyes, which nature cannot repair. Standing on the bare ground, my head bathed in blithe air and uplifted into infinite space. All mean egotism vanishes. I become a transparent eyeball. I am nothing, I see all.